Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, before we jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below as well so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. So today's unit, you guys, it comes from YOLISSA Hair. They were very kind to send me a U-Part wig to try for you all today. So I'm going to show you guys what the package looks like once you open it and what I got in here. And then I'm just going to install it for you all and show you my process of how I install a U-Part wig. So sit back and enjoy. Now ideally at this point I would usually want to put some type of protection on the rest of my hair that is going to be covered with the wig, but I do not feel like sewing a wig cap on to cover my hair because, let's be honest, if you usually use a regular wig cap, it's going to be pretty hard for it to stay like covered, especially right here in the front. It's going to slide back because you need a portion of your hair out for your U-Part wig. So in this case, you could take the wig cap and sew it around and like cut it to make it stay covered to the rest of your hair if you planned on wearing your U-Part wig for like a longer period of time. But for this purpose, I'm actually just going to skip a wig cap and just wear it as is, just covering my hair like it is, because I'm going to wear this wig maybe for about 4 hours today, and then after that I'll be taking it off. I'm going to jump into installing the unit. It is a side part wig. If you were not able to tell from how I parted my hair space over here, the unit does sit over with a left part. You can just tell from how the wig is constructed, that's how it sits. If I tried to make it like a middle part, it is kind of off. It's an offsetting right here, so it wouldn't exactly just sit in the middle. So the unit does come with some clips in it. I am going to use the clips today to secure this U-Part. And then we have a clip right here in the back as well as adjustable straps. I did make the adjustable straps tighter. And then you have some clips that are on the side, which I actually have never had in my U-Part wig before. They have clips on the side. So you have 2 in the front, 2 on the side, and 1 in the back. And 1 here. So there's 6 clips total in this wig, and I'm going to use all 6 today. So now we have the wig on, and I can honestly tell you guys, this wig is feeling really secure right now. Like, very. It feels so snug, and that is what you want in your U-Part wig. I feel like that is a factor that is lost a lot with U-Part wigs, but YOLISSA Hair, they did that with making it feel secure. All those extra pins in there and the adjustable strap, I'm sorry, not pins, clips, I feel the security 100%. So now I'm going to move on to straightening my hair. It's actually still a little bit damp. I'm going to blow dry it a little bit and then I'll go in with the flat iron. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this hair serum. It's for heat protection as well as just adding like a little bit more of a shine to the hair once you get finished with straightening it. I'm not having any issues with like tangling, any issues with shedding. Definitely it has a very nice soft texture, not too shiny. It isn't yucky texture hair. I do feel like I may in the future, if I feel like dabbling in that, adding some layers to it. I think it would be really pretty with some layers. This unit, I don't really think you can adjust it in any way and make it like a middle part. I feel like it's going to make the actual cap that it's constructed on sit a little funny on your head, so I don't think it will work that way. But in completion of this whole video. I definitely recommend it. I can say offhand, off the top, from not even wearing it for, you know, days of wear to get an actual experience of it, I can tell that this is going to be a really nice unit, you guys. So details, the hair. So right now I am just going over my hair as well as the wig, just making sure that everything is blending in, because that is key when you have your U Part wigs. Your leave out, you want it to blend as well as possible. Now I did make a little mistake, and I'm gonna tell you what my mistake was. So I used this Got2b, and that was perfectly fine. However, I didn't let it dry, and I went over it with this high hold spray. Wait, not high hold, I'm sorry, Flex Insta Hold spray. This is the blue and pink one, and it caused a little crust up here. That's the only mistake that I made. So now I have like a little crust action going on up here that I did not want. However, it's okay. You know, you can go over that with like some powder or something, or even just wash it out with a little bit of water and then just remove the product in total, and then you'll have clean hair that doesn't look so light and crusty like me. But I will have to say that this came out great. So I did finish off camera straightening this hair. This hair is extremely long, by the way. I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see how long it is. So this might sound a little bit disappointing to you all, and if you see my hair on camera and you're able to tell me what type hair I have, then please, by all means, leave it in the comment section below. But I do believe that I have like 4B hair. My hair is pretty tight curled, but it has just like a little bit of loose in it. It's not super tight, but it's pretty much there. So I do think I have 4B hair, but I could definitely be incorrect about that. But as I told you guys earlier, I do believe that this is a really good U Part wig, and the reason I say so is because of how tight it feels. I feel like it's like a sew-in, like it feels like a sew-in, legit. So this is straight hair, obviously. It's a U Part wig with a left parting space, 24 inches long, and it's 180% density. I do think that it is actually 180% density. It looks full. That's what the inside thought when I pulled it out the packaging. I was like, okay, straight wig, and it's actually thick. Like, I like how thick it is. Sometimes you get straight hair and it'll be way too thin. This one was definitely thick enough. I'm gonna show you how long it is. So as you see, it goes past my boobs. It's actually at my waist. It is really long hair. You should definitely try it out. I will have all the information in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing a U Part wig from YOLISSA Hair. I do want to say thank you to YOLISSA Hair for sending me this unit. Thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.